What's up, guys? If you still experience this thing until now, that is creating and scheduling advertisement used to take hours across different platforms. If yes, well, you're lucky finding this video because this time I'm gonna share you the platform that can help you to make it all only in one place and you don't have to take a lot of time. So stay tuned and let's get into the tip, guys. So if you want to start to sell or advertise something that is your product, you can start to know about the things that you would like to present or add. For example, here I asked this Gemini to help me find out about the product that I can sell in the summer. And for example, here I just even asked for it using the simple prompt. For example, like this, give me the recommendation about the most wanted product during the summer break. As the pro tip, I put the first sentence before would be, you are the expert of the business, for example. And also you can activate the mode to be the pro, and the thinking level you can click this extended. And after that you will find that this Gemini AI will give you a lot of the detail about the business that will help you get more profit during the summer break. For example, you can start to sell this hanging neck portable fan, the beach accessories like the towel or the bag like this, and also the TSA complaint kits like this, which one do you prefer. And for example, I will select this one, that is the hanging neck fan portable. You can open it and see the link that will provide this product or as the distributor. So in case if you would like to send it, as you can see there are the prices if you would like to purchase this product, and from 1 until 90 pieces. Well, actually this can be also used for the B2B if you would like to use it. And after that, the tool that can help me or also can help you to schedule and also crafting the video advertisement is the Pippit AI, guys. So you don't even have to upgrade it into the pro version if you are the beginner now. Don't worry, as you can see here, I don't even subscribe yet. But this Pippit AI, particularly for the beginner, they will also give you the credits to try out a lot of tools over here. And particularly you can start to try this vibe marketing. You can find it from here. Click this and click one. There you go. And after that, you'll see that this is the section that you can start to put your requests. As you can see that this vibe marketing can help you to create, schedule, publish compelling content across Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and many more, guys. So you can put your description of your campaign and you can also add the link. For example, this is the link product into this section. And for example, I will give you what I have done with this Pippit AI. That is like this. I just put the simple prompt like this, guys. I want to make a campaign for this hanging neck small fan from this. And I also attach the link into it and just click enter after that, like this, and click enter. And let this Pippit AI analyze everything into the several confirmation before this Pippit create you the schedule to do the advertisement or publish the advertisement. For example, the first one will be the requirement to attach the picture that is recommended and also supporting your product, guys. For example, I got it from this one. And also the main goal for this hanging neck small fan campaign, if you would like to get the wholesale in B2B inquiries, you can activate it, or you can also choose the option that has been provided. And you can also choose the which market or region, and also the platform that do you want to focus on, and also how long do you want to plan to run this campaign. And after that, you can click confirm over here, and after that, this Pippit AI will start to create you the schedule to do the campaign, guys. For example, there is the TikTok for the US and Canada B2B buyers, and it also plans you the UGC style in the vertical version. And the first post will be the awareness for the buyer, and also the schedule will be here in 21 on 21st May until the fourth post will be the action. As you can see here that this Pippit AI also give you the step-by-step of the buyer's journey until the buyer would like to purchase your product or decide to purchase your product. And also the another platform will be the Facebook page over here, still the same, and the image or the product gonna be showcased into the picture with a clear B2B copy, and the schedule gonna be like this, guys. And also you can find the a little bit weakness of this Pippit AI that is in the Instagram status, but you can also give the response later on. As you can see here that Instagram cannot provide you, or this Pippit AI cannot provide you the picture in this ratio for the Instagram. So the resolution that being given by this Pippit AI would be like this. Do you prefer this Pippit to set up IG like this? For example, the 1:1 static image pose, or this one, and also the visual asset. So you need to do the confirmation to this Pippit AI too. And before you do the confirmation about this Instagram status, you will see here that Pippit AI already prepared the schedule to advertise your product. So you can start to view the calendar first. Previously it was 8, but I have tried one to generate the video that will be posted or published into the TikTok. For example here, previously if you have done or have not done the generation progress, so the look gonna be like this, guys. However, if you already do the generation to create the video, so it will be show like this. I'll show you the video. You just need to click this section, not this button, because the result gonna be different. And always remember that generation or creating the video always consume the credit, guys, and make sure that your credits always enough. So the step gonna be like this. So the first step gonna be generating the video first, or the ad video first, that is like this. This is the prompt and also the target audience that also have been made by this Pippit AI. Isn't that cool, right? All is like of already been prepared in one place, like the prompt. And if you are okay with this prompt, so you can continue to generate it. And the result, for example, gonna be like this.
Tired of the summer heat ruining your day? There's a smarter way to stay cool.
Hands-free cooling that actually looks good. This is a game changer.
It's powerful, yet incredibly quiet. No more bulky, noisy fans.
Perfect for commuting, working, or anytime you need to beat the heat.
And if you would like to download it, then you can click this, and the result gonna be like this, guys.
Tired of the summer heat ruining your day? There's a smarter way to stay cool.
Hands-free cooling that...
As you can see, there is the watermark of Pippit AI, but if you are okay, then you can just let it. Or if you would like to remove this watermark, so you need to upgrade it into the pro version first. And I will go back to the section. So this will be the example of the video that will be posted in the first advertisement of this product, and it will be posted into the TikTok. So this is the result after you do the generation for the video ads, and this is the post like this. And you can also save it or regenerate, because this Pippit also already give you the prompt, and after that you can continue to publish. So all you need to do is make sure that this Pippit AI already connected to your social media account to post or publish your product, whether that TikTok or the Facebook and also the Instagram if you want to. For example, this is the section or the next schedule that I have not done to do the generation like this. This is the section to produce the video, and after that the video gonna be shown over here, and you can start to drop the video into this section and save it as the asset to your publishing the advertisement. And this is the section to directly publish the advertisement into your social media. For example, this is the Facebook account, and this is the schedule, and you can adjust when to publish and click OK, for example. And after that you can click generate, and after that the video or the video UGC advertisement will be posted. So please don't forget to use this Pippit AI to help you to not only creating or crafting the video, but also create the schedule and also publish your product, guys. And that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.